Hi everybody, welcome back to Life with Artist King. Today I have an extremely short video. Well, actually it took me a lot longer to do it, but as I said, I didn't want to keep you guys watching something for 30 minutes. So I cut and I, did what I had to do and to bring it down to where it is. So it's an abstract piece where I use purple and a nice shade of green, and I just kind of went for it and did what I wanted to do. Didn't follow any norm or anything, but that's how abstract paintings are. So yeah, that's just me doing my own thing, adding my own spin to it. So I hope you enjoy it. And once again, what I'm trying to do is encourage somebody who may want to do this to pick up some paint and stuff and try it. So remember, again, I post on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Check out my Instagram, Art by W King, and my website, artbyking.net. Okay, so just I hope you guys like this. I'm gonna be doing a lot more. I'm trying to think of other things that I can do that you guys would like. So to my new subscribers, I thank you, and I thank you for those people who have been watching my videos. I really, really appreciate you guys. So at this time, it's almost the end of the video. So I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you next time on my next video. Okay, so bye now.